Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube tutorials. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to work this question. The question is asking us to determine whether integral of this diverges. So if it doesn't diverge, that means it converges. So let's go through this. So I have the question written here as integral from 0 to 4 for square root of 4 minus x. Okay, so square root of 4 minus x, then dx. Now from this you realize that this integral contains an infinite or infinite discontinuity at x equal to what? 4. Okay, so if that happens, then we have the integral of this 1 over square root of 4 minus x dx must be equal to, we now interchange the limit, so we have limit as t is approaching 4 from the negative, the integral t to 0, then we have 1 over square root of 4 minus x dx. So now let's move ahead to integrate this. So if you find the antiderivative of this, you should be getting the limit as t is approaching 4 from negative. We have negative 2, okay, then square root of 4 minus x, okay, then we have the limit value here. So this is it. So from here we will now do substitution. Okay, so by doing the substitution, we have the limit as t approaching 4 from the negative. Okay, so we have negative 2 square root of 4 minus t. Okay, then minus, so this is one term, then minus 2 square root of 4 minus 0. Okay, so now we have the limit again as t is approaching 4 from negative. Okay, then we have negative 2 square root of 4 minus t plus 2 root 4. Okay, now you realize that t is approaching 4 from the negative, so we just need to do the substitution. So if we substitute it where t is approaching 4, the results must be negative 2 square root of 4 minus 4 plus 2 square root of 4. Okay, so this will give us 0. Then we'll have 2 root 4. Now you realize that 4 is a perfect square, so that is going to give us 2, okay, multiplying with what? 2. So we'll have the final answer to be 4. So we conclude by saying that the integral of this, okay, the integral of this does not diverge but rather converge. So this the integral, okay, it converges, it converges it converges at 4. So this should be the final answer. So our conclusion is that this does not diverge but rather converge. When it diverges, then it should give us an infinity value. Okay, but now what we have gotten here is a defined value. Okay, so we conclude that this does not diverge but rather converge at 4. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and also share it. Once again, thank you. Goodbye.